In this lesson, I am going to show you how to add shapes in Premiere Pro. Now when you head over to your toolbar, right here you have this rectangle tool. When you click and hold down the rectangle tool, you get these other options of available shapes you can create within Premiere Pro. The first option there is a rectangle. When you click on the rectangle and head over to the preview, you can create or add a rectangle to your project. The second option there is the ellipse. You can also create an ellipse shape, or you can convert it to a circle by dragging it down. And then lastly, you have the polygon shape. By default, it's set to like triangle, but if you want to add more sides, all you need to do is to head over to Essential Graphics, and then within Essential Graphics, right here, you can see the option of adding more sides to the shape, like so. So I can add like 6 sides, I can increase that to 18. Now the maximum number of sides you can add is 50. Within Align and Transform, you can align the text properly within the project right here. When you click on Align Center horizontally and Align Center vertically, you can properly position into the middle of the project. Down here within Appearance, you can change the view to whatever color you choose, and also the stroke right here. When you check that and then click on the color, you can give it whatever color you want. And then you can increase the size of the stroke by increasing these values or playing with these values right here. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.